These cute, fuzzy toys have taken over TikTok, YouTube, and even Muslim homes. But what if I told you they might be cursed? Some even say it's linked to demonic energy. As Muslims, should we be worried? Let's start simple. What even is Labubu? Labubu is a designer toy by the brand Pop Mart. They are small, wide-eyed figures with fantasy-like features. Half monkey, half elf, kinda cute, kinda creepy. And they have become collectibles, especially among young girls and Gen Z on TikTok. But here's the twist. People have reported strange experiences. Broken mirrors, weird dreams, even sleep paralysis. All after buying one. And now, the question is loud. Is Labubu haram? Many Muslims are starting to feel uneasy. You have probably seen comments like, "That doll gives me bad vibes. Why does it look like a jinn? My little sister sleeps with it. Should I be worried?" In Islam, we're warned against things that imitate or promote the unseen, the jinn or black magic. And while toys are usually innocent, Labubu might be towing a very thin line. Now here is where it gets really weird. Some researchers online have drawn a connection between Labubu and the demon Pazuzu. Pazuzu was a wind demon who brought disease and bad luck. His features, big eyes, sharp teeth, mischievous grin. Sound familiar? Some say it's just coincidence. Others say the resemblance is spiritual mimicry, a way to sneak haram into our homes under the label of cute. The Prophet, peace be upon him, warned us clearly, avoid things that call to the unseen. That includes black magic, talismans, and objects with unclear origins. So ask yourself, if a doll's backstory is literally unknown and people are feeling spiritual uneasy, is it worth it? Labubu isn't just a doll. It has traits that align with folklore beings, unsettling designs, and for some, even influence dreams. That's not normal. Even if Labubu isn't intended to be evil, the effects it causes, the obsession around it, and the creepy reports can't be ignored. Now some of you are thinking, bro, it's just a toy. Okay, fair point. Let's look at that. If you're not attributing any power to it, if it's just sitting on a shelf, maybe there's no issue. But if there's even a 1% chance it's opening spiritual doors, wouldn't you want to close it? In a world already full of distractions and temptations, should we normalize owning things that might invite evil? Here's my take. I'm not here to spread fear. Whether Labubu is a demon or not is up to Allah. Share this video with someone who owns a Labubu. Comment your thoughts below. Do you think Labubu is cursed or just hype? And remember, just because it's trending doesn't mean it's safe. And as always, thank you for watching.